It's finally here, and honestly, it feels like one of those rare moments in camera history where hype actually meets reality. Because the Sony A7V doesn't just feel like an incremental update. It feels like Sony looked at what creators, photographers, and hybrid shooters have been asking for over the past several years and decided to roll all of that feedback into a single, extremely well-balanced camera that punches way above its class. And the more time you spend with it, the more obvious it becomes that this is not just a replacement for the A7 IV, but a redefining release that borrows heavily from Sony's flagship DNA and makes it accessible to a far wider audience. From the moment you pick it up, the first thing you notice is that Sony has spent serious time refining the body and ergonomics. Because the A7V feels familiar, yet clearly more confident in the hand. With a deeper, more sculpted grip that inspires trust when you're mounting heavier lenses. And a subtle but noticeable redistribution of weight that makes long shooting sessions feel far less fatiguing than before. Which might sound like a small thing until you've covered a full wedding day or a multi-hour video shoot. The addition of the 4-axis articulating flip screen is another massive win. Because this design finally feels like the best of both worlds. Combining the flexibility vloggers love with the practical tilt angles photographers rely on. And once you've used this style of screen, it's genuinely hard to go back. Especially for hybrid shooters who constantly switch between tripod work, handheld shooting, and awkward angles where a traditional tilt or flip screen just doesn't cut it. Internally, though, that's where the A7V truly begins to separate itself. Because Sony didn't recycle the A7IV sensor as many expected, instead introducing a brand new 33-megapixel, partially stacked full-frame sensor paired with the new Bion's XR2 processor. And that combination alone changes the entire character of the camera, delivering significantly faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and a responsiveness that makes it feel far closer to an A1 class body than anything else near this price point. This partially stacked design might not sound as dramatic as a fully stacked sensor on paper. But in real-world use, it translates to smoother motion, cleaner electronic shutter performance, and a shooting experience where blackout-free continuous shooting at up to 30 frames per second feels genuinely game-changing, particularly for sports, wildlife, and action photographers who have traditionally had to choose between resolution and speed or pay flagship-level prices to get both. What's especially impressive is how Sony has managed to achieve this level of performance without compromising reliability, buffer depth, or usability, because the A7V can sustain long bursts without grinding to a halt, handling large volumes of RAW and JK files with ease, which is something event shooters and professionals care about far more than spec sheet bragging rights. On the video side, the A7V clearly reveals its ambition as a true hybrid tool rather than a camera that simply does video too, because the 7K sensor oversamples down to incredibly sharp 4K footage that retains impressive detail, color fidelity, and tonal gradation, making even standard 4K24 and 4K30 footage look cinematic without requiring excessive sharpening or post-processing. The fact that Sony finally unlocked full-frame 4K60 with no crop address is one of the biggest complaints leveled at the previous generation. And while stepping into 4K120 does require a Super 35 crop, the resulting footage remains remarkably detailed thanks to the high-resolution sensor, meaning slow-motion sequences don't feel like a compromised afterthought but a legitimate creative tool. Codec support is robust, with 10-bit 4:2:2 options across the board, including XAVCC for those who prefer all-intro recording. And while some may wish for even higher byte rates or internal RAW, the reality is that the quality delivered here already exceeds what most creators truly need, striking a smart balance between file size, quality, and workflow efficiency. Sony's color science continues to evolve as well, with more pleasing skin tones straight out of camera and better consistency across profiles, making S-Log3 footage easier to grade and more forgiving in mixed lighting conditions, while still preserving the dynamic range professionals expect. Low light performance remains a hallmark of Sony cameras, and the A7V does nothing to tarnish that reputation, delivering clean, usable footage at high ISOs and revealing what appears to be a dual sensitivity behavior around ISO 800 and ISO 8000, where noise levels noticeably stabilize, suggesting behind-the-scenes processing or amplification techniques that effectively expand the camera's usable range for nighttime shooting, live events, and documentary work. Autofocus is another area where the A7V absolutely shines. Because Sony's real-time AI-driven subject recognition feels faster, stickier, and more intuitive than ever, locking onto eyes, faces, animals, birds, vehicles, and even tracking erratic motion with a confidence that removes much of the cognitive load from shooting, allowing you to focus more on composition and timing rather than constantly correcting focus points. This is especially valuable during high-speed bursts or complicated video shots, where missed focus can mean missing the moment entirely. Image stabilization has also received thoughtful upgrades, with improved in-body stabilization rated around 7 to 7.5 stops depending on framing, and Sony's dynamic active stabilization mode delivering surprisingly smooth handheld footage that often makes a gimbal unnecessary for run-and-gun situations, which is a massive advantage for solo creators, travel shooters, and documentary filmmakers who value mobility above all else. Practical considerations haven't been ignored either, as the A7V includes dual card slots supporting FlexPress Type A and UHS-2 SD cards, offering flexibility for different workflows and budgets, while the full-size HDMI port finally brings peace of mind for external monitors and recorders, and the dual USB-C ports introduce new options for simultaneous charging, data transfer, and live streaming, reflecting a modern understanding of how creators actually use their cameras today. Thermal management appears to be vastly improved as well, with extended recording times even under continuous use, suggesting Sony has learned from past criticisms and engineered a system that prioritizes stability for long-form recording, live streaming, and professional production environments. From a photographic perspective, the A7V feels like a camera that refuses to force compromises, offering resolution high enough for commercial work, cropping and large prints, yet fast enough for demanding action scenarios, all while retaining the intuitive handling and reliability professionals depend on. Features like pre-capture further emphasize Sony's focus on real-world shooting, allowing photographers to capture fleeting moments that occur just before the shutter is pressed, which can make all the difference in wildlife or sports photography where anticipation is everything. Of course, no camera is perfect, and there will always be those who lament the absence of open-gate recording, internal RAW or even higher resolution video options. But these omissions feel less like shortcomings and more like deliberate product positioning, ensuring the A7V remains accessible, versatile, and distinct within Sony's broader lineup without cannibalizing their dedicated cinema or flagship models. Ultimately, the Sony A7V feels less like a single product release and more like a statement, a declaration that hybrid creators no longer need to choose between performance, reliability, and value, because this camera delivers all three in a package that feels thoughtfully designed from top to bottom. For photographers who demand speed without sacrificing detail, videographers who want cinematic quality without the complexity of a full cinema rig, and creators who live in the space between, the A7V represents one of the most compelling tools Sony has produced in years. And if this is the direction Sony intends to take its core A7 line, the future looks incredibly bright for anyone invested in this ecosystem.